Bro, I've been wanting to check out this music video for so long, but I had like my apartment complex had like a fire alarm test like for like 3 hours, and I'm like, bruh, let me just enjoy Chunga and HONGJOONG in peace. Bro, when I heard that HONGJOONG was like part a feature from ATEEZ, girl, just made some tacos, ate that ish up. I'm about to eat this shit. Hey guys, I got a Patreon. Guys, go follow it. I'll be posting like a lot of stuff there right now. At the moment, it's just like about 6 things, so it's not a lot. It's pretty new. But I've been watching like variety shows over there, just long form type of content, which you guys want me to check out. Like, please recommend a K-drama. I'll probably put a poll or open suggestion of what you guys want me to check out on Patreon. So Patreon, link in the description. Go follow. It's for free. I'll have free content there. And then if you want to help out, homie, you can subscribe for $1. It's $1. Also, I'll be live on Twitch like probably when this video's out, so be sure to check out the Twitch and just say hi, come through, say you're from YouTube, and just say what's up. It's your boy. And thanks for like liking my short form content on Instagram Reels, TikTok. I see y'all. Hey, check out the YouTube Shorts. I really do post over here too. And yeah, without further ado, let me switch it up. Chunga. Oh my god. EENIE MEENIE featuring HONGJOONG from ATEEZ bit. Okay. Do I look good? I gotta look good for like my faves, you know? Chunga and HONGJOONG. Alright. In 3, 2, 1.
I got tips for you.
Oh damn, what was that? Dripping? Oh, she was pouring out for the homies.
I got tips for you.
What you got tips?
What to choose.
What type of tip you got from me? I'll take any type of tip from you, girl. Oh, she is so iconic. Oh my god. We sucked it up. Don't be looking at me like that. Oh, she slid down a human slide, slithering like a sneaky snake. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, post-production editing did hella good. Money, Mo. Ooh. Girl, how you know Chunga a bad bitch when she can make a simple thing like EENIE MEENIE MEENIE sound so seductive and so dope? Run that back.
Like EENIE MEENIE MEENIE Mo.
Let's go, dancers. Ooh.
Like
EENIE MEENIE MEENIE. What? Are we clapping? Woo. Get it. Get it. Get it. New vibrations for real. She do. That is so hot. The whole like the choreo right here. She goes, I just what? Pick 'em, and then girl, got me in a chokehold. Pick 'em out like EENIE MEENIE MEENIE MEENIE. Woo.
Like EENIE MEENIE MEENIE
And she just coming in like this. How she gonna take over the game like this, bro? Hey, your back must be hurting. Carrying everyone. Woo! Oh, that was a weird. They twang. Oh my god, her hair be hairing. They twanged up that beat right there. That's my boy. That's my boy, bro. Look at him. Look at him. He looking at me like, what's wrong with you, boy? Hey, I'm gonna hit you up. I'm gonna hit for the one time. For the run that back.
Like EENIE MEENIE
Some glasses, the style. Woo. Bro, HONGJOONG is on a different level. Fire. Fire. Whoever says no, I'm gonna fucking fight. It's fire. Fight you if you're not agreeing with me. It's my opinion. Yeah, well, in this household, I don't even know what I'm talking about. I'm just trying to like rep my boy. I'm trying to rep for him, bro. I'm trying to ride for him, bro. Plus, you know, represent. Okay, let's just take it a dial back, Dre. Just take it a dial back. Look what I paused on to. Alright. Woo! Ooh, my God. Wait, I need to look at that again. I'm sorry. How you just gonna, I'm just pick 'em out. She didn't do that, but. What am I beatboxing for? Eenie, money, mo. Woo! Dance break, let's go. Bruh. I'm so happy she's back, bruh. I'm so happy she's back. She a queen. I need to hear the whole album. Is the whole album out? Or a mini album? Or EP? What is it? Excuse me. That was disgusting. Excuse me. Not in front of the queen, Dre. Not in front of the queen, Chunga. Eenie meenie. Money. Bro, she is so bad, bro. Like bad meaning good, not meaning bad. You know what I'm talking about? Like this outfit right here. Oh my God. Right here, the styling. We sucked up all the trouble. This right here, fire. Are they gonna do that for every like live set? I don't know. You guys let me know. Bro, she's serving, cuz. Eenie meenie. Mini money. Eenie meenie money. Mo. Eenie meenie. Mini money. Like eenie meenie money. Mo. Ooh. I am. No ma'am. Keep it walking. No regrets, no regrets. Nope. Sensation. Ah. That was me vibrating. Eenie meenie. Mini money. Like eenie meenie money. Eenie meenie. What? Mini money. What? Like eenie meenie money. Mo. That's a weird beat though. I'm not gonna lie. They like twanged it up. Like eenie meenie money. Mo. I really wanted more of his rap though, but he popped off, bro. How he just rides it, just the swag on it. He messed with that. Put in the comments down below what you guys think of Eenie Meenie featuring ATEEZ of I was about to say ATEEZ of HONGJOONG. HONGJOONG of ATEEZ, the one and only. But the one and only queen, Chunga, is back. And I'm happy and I can't wait to check out more. Is there an album coming out? Hold up. There is, isn't there? There is. Let me see. Let me bring that up. Oh, so there's I'm Ready. Oh, wait a second. Hold up. Let me check this out. I want to check out I'm Ready. The hell? I'm Ready. Chunga. Alright, I'm gonna check out I'm Ready. I'm gonna put it on my Patreon for free for y'all to check out, and be sure to join my Patreon. Alright, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy JRE from JREKML. Keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it, it might just come true. Ooh. And I'll see you guys to the next video. Go check it out. The links in the description. I'll be live on Twitch right now. Come through. Come through, boo.
Hey, you better subscribe.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school.